Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Imagine a meal cooked slowly, filling your home with a comforting, savory aroma. That is the experience of Jiggs Dinner, the culinary anchor of Newfoundland, Canada. This hearty, historical boiled meal is more than simple sustenance. It signifies family, tradition, and home. Jiggs Dinner is traditionally reserved for Sunday gatherings, a perfect centerpiece for a day of rest and shared time. At its foundation, the dish combines humble yet satisfying elements: tender salt beef, a colorful array of root vegetables, and the unique, creamy texture of peas pudding. This meal represents the region's ultimate comfort food, deeply cherished by generations of Newfoundlanders. What's in it? Getting to know the components of Jiggs Dinner. A classic Jiggs Dinner is a masterpiece of simple cooking, relying on the long, slow-boiling process to unify distinct flavors. When prepared correctly, every component of the meal holds a salty, savory depth that satisfies completely. Understanding the essential ingredients helps explain why this meal has endured as a cultural staple. The salty star: why salt beef is essential. The main flavor driver of Jiggs Dinner is salt beef. This protein defines the entire pot. While often compared to corned beef, traditional salt beef is cured uniquely, usually resulting in a stronger, bolder salt flavor. The preparation is straightforward but critical. The beef is boiled for several hours with the vegetables. This extended cooking time achieves two things. First, it tenderizes the tough cured meat beautifully. Second, and perhaps most important, the salt from the beef permeates the cooking water, seasoning every portion of the resulting meal. While substitutes like smoked ham or other cured meats might appear on some tables, authentic Jiggs Dinner relies on the robust flavor of salt beef. The key sides: peas pudding and figgy duff. No Jiggs Dinner is complete without its traditional side dishes, which provide texture and contrast. Peas pudding is the most distinctive accompaniment. Definition: a savory side made from dried yellow split peas. Preparation: the peas are soaked, seasoned, and boiled within a specific cloth bag right alongside the meat and vegetables. Result: this creates a creamy, uniform paste that is often mashed and served hot. While served alongside the main meal, figgy duff is another essential partner. This steamed pudding, rich with raisins or currants, usually follows the savory main course as a sweet dessert. Another often overlooked treasure of the meal is the flavorful cooking liquid, sometimes called pot liquor or pot liquor. This rich liquid is often thickened into a simple gravy and poured generously over the entire plate, enhancing both the meat and the vegetables. The great root vegetable mix. A true Jiggs Dinner offers a bright medley of boiled root vegetables. These starchy elements absorb the salty seasoning as they cook, providing texture and balance to the heavy meat and pudding. They turn the meal into a complete, balanced plate. The standard selection includes turnip, rutabaga, adds a distinct, slightly sweet earthiness. Cabbage, often boiled in large pieces, it becomes tender and deeply savory. Potatoes, essential filler, soaking up the meat's flavor. Carrots provide color and natural sweetness. Other options: some cooks add parsnips for a deeper flavor profile. For successful cooking, these vegetables are often placed into the pot at different times, sometimes separated in mesh bags or cloths, to ensure they finish cooking simultaneously without becoming mushy. Cooking a Jiggs Dinner connects you to Newfoundland's culture and flavors. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.